Turn your everyday gas fill-ups into a flexible payment experience with your Affirm card. Using your Affirm card for gas is straightforward and can help you manage your transportation budget with ease. Let's get started. First, head to your preferred gas station, approach the pump, and look for the payment terminal. You'll typically see slots for inserting your card or a contactless payment area. When prompted for payment, select the option to pay with a card, then simply insert your Affirm card into the reader. Just like you would with any other credit or debit card, if your pump offers contactless payment, you can also try tapping your Affirm card near the designated reader. Follow the on-screen prompts. You might be asked to enter your zip code or a PIN, depending on the gas station system, and your Affirm card settings. Confirm the transaction on the pump screen. Once your payment is approved, you'll see a confirmation message on the pump screen. Now you're free to start fueling up your vehicle. Your Affirm card works seamlessly at most major gas stations, allowing you to leverage Affirm's payment flexibility for this essential expense. This means you can spread the cost of your fuel over time, making it easier to stick to your budget. By using your Affirm card for gas, you're making your fuel costs more manageable and gaining control over your transportation spending. It's a simple way to bring Affirm's convenient payment options to your everyday needs.